Council Mabirizi, yes. Why are you protesting Owiny Dollo's naming of Judge Jenny Kajuga as the acting principal judge?
Because it's unconstitutional, it's illegal. It's contrary to common sense and best practices and in public service. Generally under public service, when a senior person retires or is promoted, the most senior after him takes charge until when a substantive appointment is made. That's what normally done. The Judicature Act is clear. Who is most senior after principal judge? Among the judges of the High Court, the most senior is the person who was appointed earlier. In this case, that is Gidudu Lawrence. The one supposed to take charge. Now, Owiny Dollo is using Section 3 of is it admission of the Judiciary Act illegally? Because the section just tells him to comply with the Judicature Act and say in accordance with the Judicature Act, the most senior is Gidudu, I hereby assign him. But now he picks someone from, I don't know what person should make, I don't know how relationship with Kajuga. He says Kajuga is the acting principal judge. This is illegal. And as lawyers, we must protest it. Otherwise, we are going to create a situation where the Chief Justice chooses who to pick, who not to pick, as if he's picking people to represent the judiciary at a trip. Yet these are functions, especially by the law.
But Mali, don't you think Owiny Dollo has the powers to make random selection from his juniors?
I've given you the law. The framers of the laws of Uganda never needed to have a chief justice who can appoint his juniors to do seniority jobs when they are not senior. There are people who are supposed to take charge, just like in any public service. So Owiny Dollo has no such powers. Owiny Dollo had to appoint, if you want to assign, he could only assign Gidudu and not Kajuga. Kajuga is very junior to many of the judges. She has just become a judge. I don't know his relationship with her. That's why they're objecting, and they were told him to recall that assignment.
Okay, Council, may we know the fundraising numbers?
0701 88 151 and 787 630.